So the two things you need, code and GitHub, and you need a DevPost project submitted before the deadline. When is the deadline? The deadline is 3 p.m. when the hackathon ends on Sunday for us, October 12th. You go to DevPost, and I'm going to walk you through how to submit a project. So you click Start Project right here. When you click Start Project, you have to do some CAPTCHA, which I will now pick some palm trees. Great. All right, now you're in the manage team. You can skip this step, but basically you want to invite your entire team to this project so that you can see everyone who worked on the project. You can grab this link and you can send it to your teammates. They can add themselves to the project. I'm going to skip this for now. Now I have the project overview. The project name should be the name that you already created for Opportunity Hack. So if I go back to 2024 as an example, we have one computer troopers, number 2, one computer troopers, team 20. So all of these team names, this is what you use when you're in DevPost, when you're talking about the name of the project. Just name it whatever team you already created for Opportunity Hack. So I'll call mine the team I already created on ohack.dev. Elevator pitch is just what you're doing for your project. You can always change this later. So this one might be, I'm changing the future of music therapy. Save and continue. Now you have the project story. When you click right in here, it adds a template. So what is the inspiration? Something about the nonprofit, what inspired you to pick this project for the nonprofit? It doesn't have to be anything crazy, maybe a sentence or two. What it does, what does your solution actually do, how you built it, the challenges you ran into, things that you're proud of, and what you learned along the way. If you have anything next steps, that would be good to have it here. It's probably also going to be in your demo video. So for this, I will skip that. Here, I will say what I built it with. So maybe I use some Node. Great. And then this is a link to the demo site. So you might already have deployed, hopefully you went live, because our theme this year is go live to save lives. You've already deployed this. Add your link here to your project in the cloud so that people can use it. And then finally, any pictures. The most important part is this video demo link. Ideally, you have, before the hackathon has even ended, let's go back to our timeline for 2025. Before the hackathon has even ended, you have, so the hackathon ends right here at 3 p.m. This is when everything is due. You can't be uploading a video at 3 p.m. Won't work. You need to be already done at 3 p.m. The video usually takes 2 minutes, 1 minute to upload the video to some website. You can use Loom, you can use YouTube. Those are your options. It takes a few minutes, so you don't want to start the submission at 3 p.m. I want to be super clear about that. We will not judge any project that does not have a video. We will not wait. We have to be done by 3 p.m. We're trying to get everyone out as fast as we can. The judges will start judging at 3. So you put the link to your YouTube video here, your Vimeo, your Facebook video, whatever it is. Now it says final reminders. So you have 4-minute maximum video size, and you have 2 minutes of live Q&A. So we will play your video, and then we'll have 2 minutes of Q&A after your video is over for the judges to ask questions. So you'll have 6 total minutes. If your video is under 4 minutes, then you get more time for Q&A, which might be something you want. If your video is over 4 minutes, we're going to stop it at the 4-minute mark, and then we'll go into Q&A. That's to make sure this is fair for all teams. Okay, so you submit all your details, you hit submit project. Now you've submitted your project. You can edit this at any time. Anytime you can come back and edit. That's the key thing. So just hitting submit there doesn't lock it in forever. I can add teammates, I can update my documentation, I can even update my video that I want just by hitting edit hackathon submission, and I can edit anything that I need to. So this will lock exactly at 3 p.m. at the end of the hackathon. Make sure you have all the details you need, including your video uploaded by 3 p.m. Hopefully that's been helpful. Hack on.